crystals and gemstones. And we also found some sea glass, and I'll show it to you when we get to the house. Guys, and I've collected so many gemstones, so many rocks, and especially so many seashells, so I'll show it to you right now after I wash it. Alright, just finished cleaning those rocks, and these look super nice gemstones. Found them at the beach. Trying to look for some lights, but I didn't bring my UV light, so I couldn't find them. Look at all of these. So cool. And this got some cool designs on it. I'm gonna see that under the UV light. Got some seashells over here. Yeah. So I'm gonna break some of these open to see if they look cool inside. And found a lot of quartz. And look at this sea glass. Sea glass looks pretty nice. That's the only sea glass I found. Couldn't find any more. These quartz look very, very nice. Especially in the water. Because they're drying up right now. You can't really see them so good when it's dried up. But hopefully we got something valuable. Apparently nothing didn't show in the UV light. But we're going to see this under the flashlight and see how cool it looks. Get that under the flashlight. It looks so good. Super clear. And we're going to smash some of them open. Got a couple of rocks I'm going to cut open outside. And we're going to see how these look. Pretty nice. Got some jasper right here. Another jasper right here. And these just look very good under the water. It's kind of dried up. Let's see what it looks like. Also, we got some jasper right here. It looks pretty nice.
I'm not counting.
Jasper from the beach. So cool. It's not working, so I guess we could just look back at the other rocks. Look at all of these rocks, guys. This one looks pretty cool. Let me wet it a little bit. And look at that. Very beautiful and natural. Especially this jasper. Look at the backside all dry, and look at this one. So cool. And this seashell has a little pebble stuck in it on the top. I would crack this open to get it out, but I just want to leave it as it is. Some nice quartz. Found some good sea glass. Found a lot of seashells. These are very shiny. This rock, I like this rock a lot. Especially this one. Like quartz right here and dark. This one is all dry. Look how pretty it looks when it's wet. Oh yeah, and this rock looks amazing. Just look at it. Got all these designs. Looks like my other rock. Oh yeah, look at this one. It's very cool. Overall, it was a nice day. We found some cool rocks and gemstones. There were some nice precious rocks that we found. And hope you guys like and subscribe. Crystal collector right here. He finds a lot of lights, a lot of cool rocks that you can probably find at some of the locations that he mined at. So hope you guys have a great day. See you guys in the next video. Also, if you're trying to see where I got the rocks from, I found it at Segundo Beach, California. It's located right here, right next to Dockweiler. So if you want to come out here, it's free for all. You can find a lot of rocks and also find some gemstones. So you could come here anytime. It's a very small beach. So come out here someday and find some cool rocks.